Hi everyone. Now let me give you a quick introduction how you can use EQSIS Invest to start investing on your own. What you guys have to do is hit Google with EQSIS Invest. I wish you can try parallelly because that gives you some reasonable understanding about it. So at the very first link, which is investment portal by EQSIS, which is a very smarter and simpler way to get started with your investing. So if you look at this, the primary agenda of this particular portal is to recommend a stock on a week on week or month on month by considering the price, and this should be diversified in a way that you can fairly handle the risk as well. And we also review the stocks on a very frequent basis so that if we see something interesting or if we see something which is not so good, we re-rate those and you can find them updated in your recommended list. Let me give you a kind of quick demo about it. So this can be done in just 3 clicks. See, as an investor, what you wish to do. In first click, you get a list of stock. In second click, you can review them. And a third click, you can trade it on your own. And the shares which are purchased in your broker account will be in your demat account. And every month, we still know that how many stocks you've purchased, and we can review it behind the screen, and we can keep you posted with the next following updates. So let me tell you how it is happens. So let me give you my login. So if I started, look at this, a very simple portal. It doesn't give you too much of options to complicate yourself. After all, it tells you that it invites me and it tells me that no, it's glad to see me again, great. And it is giving me a simple button which helps me to get started with my investing. So this is what my first click, which is invest now. So if I click on invest now, it is going to recommend a list of stocks. Look, in one button, it is recommending me ITC, NMDC, Marico, Dabar, ICICI Bank, Infi, Reliance. And it recommends, in ITC for 1 share and NMDC for 17 shares. And this, all these number of shares depends upon the current prevailing price and it depends upon my existing portfolio so that it gets well diversified. And most importantly, it is also dependent on our rating. If you want to know about EQSIS, we are a SEBI registered research firm. So myself, Murugan, you can find my registered ID. I can put you in the description also. And we do some internal review to keep these ratings, but it doesn't mean you have to follow the same rating. Let's say if you wish to invest on your own rating, what you guys can actually do is hit a dashboard and you have something called setting here. So underneath you can see stock rating. So if you click on stock rating, you can create your own custom rating. So you don't have to follow our own ratings. If you wish to create your own rating, just click here and it gives you a list of stocks already in my portfolio. If there is no stock, you can, like, if you wish to have your own company, let's say I'm interested in IOC now. Okay, it is showing me IOC now. I can bring an IOC here and then I can put add and IOC comes up here. And if I wish to increase rating to IOC and if I wish to decrease ratings of ITC, look at this ITC in my portfolio, it is already 15%. So henceforth, it doesn't recommend much of ITC because I have a lot of other stocks which are having just 1%, 1%, 2%. So, but I feel like NMDC is something which is not so great to me. I mean, we definitely recommend to follow the pre-existing reviews so that you don't get worried about reviewing the stocks. But if you are good at finding the stock, you can use this portal to adjust your own ratings and you can save and apply. So so you just need to have some positive ratings. You need to have at least 4 5 positive ratings. If not, your portfolio don't get diversified. And if I hit now, you can see that NMDC is recommending me. So this algorithm which recommends a stock by understanding the ratings. So the ratings can be given by EQSIS or you can even give your own rating. Because I have some friends, some of my Muslim friends may not be interested in some stocks. If you find such stocks, you can actually put a negative rating so that it doesn't come inside your portfolios. Or you may have some specific view about some stock. If you wish to add upon your portfolio, you can actually put that stock into your existing and add some more positive ratings. I mean, after all, I'm talking about convenience and customization and ability you can do it. Murugan, this can be done and I can invest. But this ratings, and automatically this gets diversified, and every month it reminds you. Remember, after all, what maximum you pay is about close to 1,000 rupees, and it helps you to get started right away. So, if you are someone who is really interested about investing on your own, I believe a very simple tool like this can actually help you to get started. Let me go back here, and I wish to have my own default rating. So I can click on default rating, and if I go and click my invest now, it actually gives me the list of stock. This is not yet finalized. If you wish to review these stocks, and you have to make sure that you click on trade all button or get email copy. In both the case, this recommendation gets finalized. So if I hit on trade all, of course today, this being a non-working day, I can't punch my trades right away. But if I wish to hit on trade all, I can even choose my preferred broker. If I have a broker, I can use any of these brokers. But we have a plan of bringing in a lot more brokers here. But if you wish to trade with a broker who is not listed here, just get an email copy. Just click on email copy. It is going to send you an email copy. And remember, it is recommending me a list of stocks worth rupees 15,000. But if I wish to have a recommendation for about 20,000, you can definitely edit that. So if you click on edit investment preference, you can actually make it as investment amount is something close to 20,000. Okay, and you can save that. So next month onwards, it will recommend you with 20,000. And what is there for next 30 days? This portal does nothing for next 30 days. It tells you that come again and see us after 30 days. And this reminds you, prior your 30 days so that you can plan your next investment schedule. So this helps you in finding a right stock. It helps you in reviewing your portfolio. And of course, it keeps you reminded about the dates. And we got a very good feedback in last 1 year that a lot of people appreciated the simplicity what it got, and a lot of people managed to get started investing. In fact, the market has given us not so great returns in last 1 year, which we have seen a lot of volatility. But interestingly, we are not telling that we can get you the best returns out of the stock market. At least we managed to help many people to start investing. And this is a tool by which we can keep our views updated, because we may sometimes recommend stock, but we may change our views based on its technical behavior or a fundamental behavior. So we need something by which we keep connected with the audience. So this is a tool which comes very interesting. So I believe you will find something very interesting using this video. And if you have any more expectations regarding investing, or if you want us to talk about any specific topic about stock market, trading, or investing, definitely write us through the comment section. Thanks for watching all this video. Thank you.